Well, hello there, guys, and welcome back to our channel. LOL. Oh, what is it? What is it? What's the name of our channel?
LOL and Kisses Slime Shop.
Oh, okay. Guess where we're going today, guys? Guess where? Guess.
A haunted house.
Oh, we're gonna be scared. We're gonna be so scared. Are you guys? What? Why are you just sitting there? Why is she just?
I don't know why she's just sitting there. Are you okay, Kansas Cutie? Yeah, I'm okay.
Kansas Cutie?
Yes.
Is that your name?
Yes.
Well, Kansas Cutie, can you get your little cute self up and let's go?
Okay, I'm coming.
Let's get ready to go.
Okay.
We're on our way to the haunted house. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in a bit. Let's go get in the car. Let's get going, girls. Let's go. Are you guys ready?
Yes,
Is everybody ready? Everybody
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Countess?
Yeah.
All right, then. Do we have our seatbelts on?
I don't think the seatbelts fit us.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You think we'll be okay?
Yeah,
I don't think so.
I do.
I don't think so.
I do.
Hold on. Let's share. Hold on. Okay. Now that everybody's buckled up, are we ready to go? Safety first. Let's go. Kansas Cutie, everything all right?
Yeah, everything's all right.
Countess,
Yeah.
you ready?
Yeah.
All right. On our way to the haunted house.
The cold. I wonder if you ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. Girl, but all the while, you hear a creature creeping up behind. You're out of time.
Hey, are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Are we ready, girls?
We're ready.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
Yeah.
I parked. You see the sign?
Yeah, I see. It's over there.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I'm not.
I'm so
Because I'm
scared.
Countess.
I'm so scared. Let's go, girls. Let's go.
I don't know about this.
All right, come along with us, guys. Let's go. No more screaming. No crying. No shaking. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
I don't know about
Okay,
these.
let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, we're here. We're here. Are you scared?
I don't know about this.
What do we do? Oh my goodness.
Go home?
Oh my goodness. They sound so spooky.
I don't know about this, you guys.
Let's go. I think we should go.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's take a vote. Who thinks we should go?
I do.
I do.
Countess?
I do.
Countess?
I think we should
I
go.
thought you were not afraid. I thought you weren't scared, Countess.
I'm not scared.
You were supposed to take us along, Countess.
Oh.
And be brave and fearless. What happened? Oh my goodness. What happened to
I'm not.
Countess?
I'm not scared.
Doesn't that mean vampire? Countess?
Yes.
Does it mean vampire?
Yes.
You be scared?
No, vampires are never scared.
Okay.
Never fearless.
Let's do it, you guys.
Unlike Dorothy over here.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, spooky music. Let's go. Oh, spiders! Spiders! Oh my goodness! Spiders!
I love spiders.
Oh, spiders! Oh, look at the ghosts! Oh, they got ghosts and goblins everywhere. Oh my goodness! Oh
I
my
thought you
goodness.
weren't scared of anything, Countess.
Oh, here she is. Here she is.
She screamed over
You're
a
supposed to be
spider.
protecting us. What
Yeah.
you doing, Countess? Wake up.
I saw a
Oh, my
spider.
goodness. Oh, come on together, girls. Let's be big. Come on.
Okay,
Let's go in. Oh, my goodness. Eyeballs! Eyeballs!
I don't think we should go back in. It's too scary.
Oh, but we said we was gonna be brave. We said we was gonna be brave.
That's right.
Oh, let's see.
The music.
Oh,
The music. You turned
what
off.
happened?
It's silent. It's silent.
Why is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Oh, who's playing the piano?
Oh.
I think we should go. I think we should go. I think we should leave now.
Girls.
It's scary.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is that over there, girls? What is that?
It's a pumpkin, it looks like.
Oh, spiders. 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 Oh, I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go.
No.
Ooh.
No, no, no.
Oh, thank God up there say boo. Ooh, ooh.
What does this say?
Oh my goodness.
Enter
Enter
at
on
your
risk.
risk.
Oh, it's time to go.
No.
It's time to go. Oh, I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe.
Where is it? Did you get
I
your
can't
shoe?
find my shoe, guys. I can't find my shoe. I can't find my shoe. Where's my shoe? Help me find my shoe, guys.
Okay, we're coming.
Help me. What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, somebody, what's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that on my hair? What's that on my hair? Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh my goodness.
Ooh, it looks like slime.
Slime.
Yeah.
Slime
Yeah.
on my hair.
Yeah.
Slime
Uh-huh.
at the haunted house
Mm-hmm.
on my hair.
Mm-hmm.
Slime
Yeah.
on my hair
Yeah.
at the haunted house.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. What's a girl to do? What's a girl to do?
Play with the slime.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Will I mess up my hair?
If you don't put it in your hair. And Kansas Cutie, I don't think you're supposed to rub your face in it.
Oh. Well, let's have a slime party, girls.
Slime party.
Slime party.
Slime party.
Slime party.
Happy Halloween.
We be sliming, y'all. We be sliming, y'all. Happy Halloween. And if you like our channel, please subscribe. And what is that? What is
Like
that?
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Look at the bottom. And what else was there? What else?
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Now Queen got slimed.